Cayenne, can you shush? Yes? Do you love it too, Cayenne? Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. And today I have a brand new video, and it is a unboxing of a Australian subscription service. Now this one is called the Change Box. This is it here. It's a bi-monthly subscription box. You can buy it one-off, or you can subscribe to it bi-monthly. It's $59.95 per month. You can also choose to subscribe for 6 months, and at the moment they've got a really great deal. It's on sale for $149, and that's for a 6-month subscription. And then if you're looking to give this to somebody as a gift, they also have those options available, or even just a gift for yourself. You can choose to get a mini mystery box, which is $39.95. You can get a regular mystery box, which is $54.95, or their seasonal mystery box, which is $79.95. Now, any of these products, they do also offer Afterpay, which is awesome. It makes it so much easier and it delivers straight to your door. It's so awesome. So at the moment, this is only available in Australia. The Change Box is really about supporting sustainable living, ethically sourced products, vegan products, recyclable products, eco-friendly products, cruelty-free, all that really good stuff, which I am so passionate about. And I think a lot of people are getting more aware and passionate about as well, which makes this box all the more appealing. I should also mention this box is beauty, lifestyle, food items. So it's a great mixed bag or box of stuff, so a really good range. Let's just get in with the unboxing. Now I'm going to open it up and give you an overview so you can have a little look-see. It's really exciting. It's always fun to get mail, especially to come home after a long day to get some fun mail. Instead of bills, it's always really welcoming and great. So in the box, first up, you get a little postcard which says hello. It's really nice on some brown paper, and this one says thank you. In the box you see there's a different range of products, and this is the June box for 2019. Now these are all products sourced from the Sunshine Coast here in Queensland. I love the Sunshine Coast. I think it's one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. I actually bought my wedding dress from the Sunshine Coast, so great place, beautiful little shops there. First off, I'm going to start with the first product that I see here, which is Original Cacao Drinking Chocolate, which, a little backstory, since I've had my son 9 months ago now, he seems to be intolerant to any lactose milk product that I consume. Because I am breastfeeding, it transfers to him, makes his skin really dry, and in turn I have had to cut out all dairy from my diet, which includes milk, cheese, ice cream, yogurt, chocolate. So this is great because it is dairy free and vegan and all that good stuff. So this will be great for me because I've been craving chocolate like crazy person and I just can't have it. So this is great. So I'm really excited to get in and try this. The next product I see here is the Adoxia. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but this is really cool. It's like a clay mask, but it comes in a little pouch, and it's like a dry rock, and it's smoking out the top. I don't know if you can see that powder coming out. Basically what you do is you add water to this and put it on your face, so it just like crumbles. And it's a really great detoxifying face mask. And of course, if you want to find more information about these products, if I haven't elaborated enough or if something sparks your interest, I will have everything linked below. Everything is vegan if you are also vegan, which I am practically vegan at the moment. Then this is great stuff for you. Really awesome. So the next product is a chocolate, and I'm really excited about this because this is dairy free, so I can eat it without causing my son's skin to get dry and itchy, and it's really cool. It's coconut flavored, which I love coconut at the moment. It's one of my most favorite scents, and the taste of it in chocolate is just to die for. The company Beneteau, I hope I'm saying that right, Natural Foods Co., and this is dark chocolate, and it's organic and also fair trade, so you know you're buying something that's been ethically sourced with its ingredients, and they've done the right thing making this without harming the environment, and the people that make and source the ingredients have been treated fairly and looked after in their workplace. So I'm really all for that. These are some soft candy juicy flowers, so yum, great little snack for the middle of the day or night or after work or whenever. So they're just little soft like little jelly sort of lollies, and they are free from gelatin, artificial colors or flavors. so it's all good stuff in there. These are 0% fat and 0% saturated fats, so yay. Great, yummy, guilt-free snack. So this next product is really cool. So if you are a space saver or looking to save space or declutter like I currently am, then this is awesome because it folds up and takes up less space. Fully just opens up like that, unscrew it, and you can just fill it up, and it's great. But if you want to fold it back up, fold it up, and it's super, super easy. Like that, and you're done. So love that it's a reusable. I'm all for reusable water bottles. I'm actually someone that refuses to buy bottled water. I think that's a complete waste of money, a waste of resources, and I think that's just super ridiculous when we can have water for free from the tap anytime you like. So definitely I'm an advocate for reusable water bottles, 100%. So next product is something that I always have in my household, not this particular brand, I haven't tried this yet, but a hand wash. Oh my gosh, I have 3 kids and a husband, and going to and from school, sports events, whatnot, shopping centers, we are constantly washing our hands, especially as soon as we come home. It's the first thing we go and do. So I'm constantly running out of hand wash. This is going to come in real good handy. And this is by the brand Australian Organic Biologica. And it's a hand and body wash, so you can use it in the shower as well if you prefer it as a body wash. And it's enriched with organic olive oil, fig and pomegranate extracts. Oh my gosh, I love pomegranate, I love fig. Oh my gosh, oh, I cannot tell you. That smells so good, so good. This product is Australian made, organic, and not tested on animals as well, so all good stuff. Completely guilt-free product that you can purchase, and of course I will have links for you in the description. So last but not least, I have this product which I think is amazing. This is a facial mask, and it is by the brand In-Flight Magic, and this is made in Australia, not tested on animals, and vegan. And for every mask sold, this company donates $1 to the Blue Dragon Foundation. I had never heard of this charity before, but the Blue Dragon Foundation, they actually help stop child trafficking. Very close to my heart since I have 3 children of my own. If there's anything that you take away from this video and from this box, I recommend supporting this company. I think what they're doing is a beautiful thing, so important. So please get behind, support this company, so you can sit back, have a pamper with this facial mask, and know you're supporting a really great cause. Okay, that's everything that was in my change box. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, everything will be linked below in case you're interested, and I really hope that if you're in the market for a subscription service, then I would really recommend this one. I really hope you will pick up yourself a box, because they just support not testing on animals, Australian, vegan, sustainable living, fair trade charities. I mean, what's not to love? Seriously, they are a company to support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.